In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share Steam Workshop files. If you've ever found a great mod or map and wanted to send it to a friend quickly, this is the cleanest way to do it. We'll walk through where to find your subscribed workshop items and how to grab a direct link that anyone can open. Start by opening the Steam application on your computer. From the main screen, go to your library. This is the list of all the games you own. Click on the game that the mod or workshop file belongs to. You need to pick the exact game where you originally subscribed to that item, since each game has its own separate workshop space. On the Games page, look for the Workshop option. Depending on your layout, it's usually on the right side or under the Community or Workshop section. Click Workshop to open the Community Hub where all user-created content for that game lives. Once you are in the workshop, find the area labeled Subscribed Items. This section shows every mod, map, or add-on you have chosen to follow for that game. Click Subscribed Items to bring up your personal list. Scroll through the list and select the specific item you want to share. Clicking it will open the item's dedicated workshop page with its description, screenshots, and details. On that item page, look for the Share button. This is designed to give you a clean, direct link to the item. Click Share, and Steam will copy the link to your clipboard automatically. You might see a brief confirmation that it was copied, which just means it's ready to paste. Now you can share the link with others. Paste it into a message, a chat, a group post, or anywhere you communicate with your friends or teammates. When they click that link, it will open the exact workshop page for the item you chose, so they can review it and subscribe on their end. Because it's a direct link from the Share button, here is no confusion about which file you meant. Thanks for watching.